Hey everyone, together
we are Diversity.
My name is TM and this,
I'm Lawan or Jacinta, you can call me either.
and together we're here for a very interesting video for you today. So it's quite different from what we've done before. So I know you guys see a lot of our dance covers and some of our tutorial videos from back when we were doing dance workshops. And today we actually bring you a sponsored video where we're going to open a lovely little package that we've received from a sponsor. Today's sponsor is Stylevana. Thank you so much for sending us this package. Like, we've been so excited to open it over the last week, so we're really keen to see what's inside.
This side hasn't been opened, that's the question.
Okay.
Oh, cute!
Let's take everything out. There's two different kinds of face masks. So this one is the brand is FRUDIA, and it's the Brightening Bursting Energy Citrus Beginning Mask. Which one do you have?
I have the Natural Hydration Maintains Moisture Blueberry Hydrating Mask.
Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so this brand is iUNIK, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And I just want to say, like, you know, some of these products are like packaged so well that they like low-key like look like they like fix your skin and just like every ailment in your body.
This one is Gold Royal Jelly Hydrogel Eye Patch. Ew.
Oh my god, eye patches, yes. Can I do it?
That's so pretty. Oh, thank you. How does this work?
So I think like the pointy bit, like you put it here.
Okay.
Like that.
The mirror here. Why do we have a mirror? I'm doing this blind.
Oh, you're doing a pretty good job. Can you feel it? You probably don't put it on your actual eye.
I can't feel it on my eyes. I'm glad that these are like all the products so far is like for hydrating, because my skin needs to be hydrated like really badly, especially because now it's summer.
Very cooling and refreshing.
Okay. Yes.
This feels like something that would be nice to wear like after like a really warm day, like on a cool summer night kind of thing.
Come home, do your face. You wanna go?
You go first. That one looks really nice. I want it.
Yeah, I've been like staring at this because it kind of reminds me of Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, it's true because it does look
right?
like a honey.
Little honey jar. I'm pretty sure it is a honey jar actually.
Does it say what it is?
Yeah, I get really dry lips, so I'm always using lip balm. It smells really good.
Oh my goodness. Wow. You know when you get something that you smell and it's like, I could eat this. I'm not gonna eat it, but I could.
That's good.
Show off the packaging a bit more. It's so cute. It's like, it looks like a little like jam jar kind of thing, like a blueberry jam kind of jar.
I think it's meant to be honey.
Is it?
Yeah, because on the packaging there's honey.
Oh, there is.
Actually, my lips are pretty like sensitive, so like when I use it, if it's not like good, it like dries out, and I get peeled skin really easily. So that's actually really good because it's not doing that right now. So yeah,
it's good. We'll see how it feels at the end as well. Okay, so next we have, this is really fancy, Chateau LABIOTTE Wine Lipstick Fitting. Here we have, Chateau LABIOTTE Wine Lipstick Fitting. The packaging is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it.
Oh, true.
Okay. Yeah, it's a really like solid color. And it's not like patchy or glittery at all. It's like, is it matte? Matte is the word I'm looking for? Yeah. So next we have CORINCO is the brand. And the product is, okay, it's all in Korean. I'm just gonna open it and we'll figure out what it is. I'm assuming it's some sort of lip product.
That looks like a lip tint.
Okay. That's really pretty. I love the like light soft pinks. Yeah, it's lipstick. Okay. You know, like I made sure to like that my arm is like nice and like presentable, just so I can swatch these colors because I knew I was gonna have to show them. I was gonna be like, my arms look like dirty or something. I'm gonna be so embarrassed. But yeah,
keep prepared.
That's the color. Oh, it's... So what else do we have?
This one. Kind of accidentally pulled it out already.
Oh.
But we have Dual Prism Jelly Balm Shadow.
Oh, okay, so eyeshadow? MACQUEEN New York is the brand. Dual Prism Jelly Balm Shadow. So I'm guessing like an eyeshadow. And the color is Gold Champagne. So let's, do the swatches because that's clearly what I'm here for today. So I'm just gonna open it and we'll figure out what it is. I'm assuming it's some sort of lip product. That looks like a lip tint. Okay.
Dun dun.
Do the classic. It's the classic YouTuber thing. Here's the product. Smells like eyeshadow. Oh, it feels so smooth. And it's like, it's a bit shimmery. Well, actually more than a bit.
Oh wow.
It is really smooth. Okay. Do this swatch. You can do it in my hand as well. That is such a nice colour.
That's
oh my
pretty.
god. I don't know if you can like see it in the camera, but it like shimmers. I don't know if I'm moving my hand the right way. Okay. Next we have, the brand is CHICA y CHICO.
That's
Okay.
cute.
This is like so nice. The packaging is so cute. So, put both colours on both hands.
Swatch it.
This is the light pink.
Ooh.
Whoa, so bright. This is the purple. Let's see if we can... I'll try putting it on my cheek.
Your eye patches are still there though.
I'll take one off. It's like taking off all my... I think there's like probably like a line of like the Gone makeup because I actually forgot that I had makeup on.
So when you use this, do you just chuck it after you've used it once?
Yeah, it's just one use only because like the actual gel like starts getting absorbed into your skin. And like also you probably don't want to put that back inside the packet because like they'll take everything that was dirty on your skin and put it in there.
Okay,
So,
that makes sense. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. I think we have one more left. Okay, what is this?
Amill Super Grain Bubble Foam.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, but what is it?
It looks like a pistachio because you can open it. Okay. So I'm gonna guess it smells something like that. I'm just gonna show the consistency.
Oh, that came out really
it smells
clean.
really nice. Okay, so this is the consistency, and like quite a large amount of foam comes up for the fact that I gave it only a small pump.
Try it on one of these if it works.
Okay, I'll just try it on the ends. Keep in mind that I don't have water, so it might not work as well.
Oh,
So you can see it's like starting to come up. Yeah. And yeah, so this one's a wet tissue as well, so just keep them. Oh, maybe we'll try a dry one first.
Okay.
And then I'll use this to wipe it off after. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, that cleaned.
That did good.
It's like there's like none left where it was, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It cleans it off really well. Even like the lipsticks, which is like the ones that tend to be more difficult to take off. Okay. So there's also a nice ladder that's still there from when I put that on my arm, which is something interesting. If you guys are wondering about kind of like the length, how long the actual ladder lasts. Yes, so that is all the products, I believe.
That's everything.
Yeah, so we didn't really unpack it very nicely, so it's kind of all over the place.
Like my bedroom.
So that brings us to the end of our interesting video. How did you find the products?
I really like this one. I actually want to try it next time to see if it rubs off of my makeup. And it smells really good, so that's great. And I want to try this. Hydrating, so...
Yeah, I absolutely want to try the brightening mask because I feel like I have a lot of blemishes on my skin, so I want to try and clear that up with this, hopefully.
Does it look any different?
Oh, I feel it's just like because your skin has been cool, like...
Yeah.
Maybe I have to pat it. Oh, I'm still wearing one. Oh.
See how fun that.
I can just imagine myself walking like all the way back home with this still on, so I'm going to take it off now so that I don't forget. But yeah, thanks so much everyone for joining us for this video. Like, we really like doing interesting things and like showing you guys the kind of things that we're doing so you keep up to date with us. And yeah, we hope to see you in the next video for the next covers. You probably won't see me because I don't dance, but you'll likely be seeing Jacinta or the one, whichever she prefers.
Yep.
Yeah.
And yeah, I want to say thank you to our sponsor Stylevana for sending us this package. We can't wait to try everything out properly. So yeah.
Yeah. Thanks everyone.
Bye.
Bye.